Welcome everybody to the Allium Twilight. I'm Chris Callahan with University of Vermont Extension. We're also grateful to have Stewart with us from Cornell Cooperative Extension. Whenever we get together, we tend to talk about garlic and onions, and so we thought we'd just invite some friends to talk about garlic and onions. We're lucky enough to have Howard host us here.
The first top beds are Walla Walla. The rest are Bridgers. Last year was the first year we grew Bridgers, and it was an amazing crop. We had a lot of rain last year, and the Walla Wallas did great.